Installing a hitch on your Nissan Versa can take you to some really cool places like biking, camping, or towing a small U-Haul trailer. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Here on the driver's side, we're going to enlarge this hole using a step bit. Now let's see if this hole is big enough for our hardware. So now we're ready to put both of our bolts into place. They're gonna go in these two holes on the outside of the frame. Next, we're gonna use our fish wiring technique to bring our bolts into place. Then we will push our block in first. Now we'll just pull our bolt through, and we'll leave our fish wire on. Now we will repeat on the second hole. Here on the passenger side, our hitch attaches to the tow loop right here. Now we're gonna take our last carriage bolt and block and place it through our tow loop. Now we're ready to put our hitch into place. We're gonna be using our U-Haul hitch jack. This spacer is going between the tow loop and the hitch. On the driver's side, we're going to push the bolts back into the frames. We're gonna take this flat washer, we're gonna put it on the fish wire, and we're gonna thread the fish wire through the holes on the hitch. Once we have the hitch lined up, we're going to pull our carriage bolts through the holes with the fish wire. The next step is to remove the fish wire. Now we're going to install our provided flange nuts with the teeth facing towards the hitch. And we'll put our final flange nut on the passenger side. Next, using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our hardware per the manufacturer's specifications. Let's show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25" receiver. From the pinhole to the bumper is 5 inches. From the ground to the inside top of the receiver is 11 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for bike racks and cargo carriers. Thank you for watching our video. Have fun and be safe. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.